only 100 pesos, 100, 230, 230 pesos. My wasting money. The question, why always my image and my body is completely changing? It because of the clock, my original clock. It because of my work as a spirit guide, as a faith healer in the spirit guide, sent spirit. That's the reason always changing my complete image and the body. That's the reason. It depends of the universe you are achieving. You completely changing your image. It depends of where you are. If the place is okay, all the image is handsome and beauty.